It may be hot outside, but the heat is not stopping the Bronx Defenders' annual community block party.
The riding the horseshoe is fun.
A day of pony rides, dance, performances, food, free haircuts, and much more to celebrate another year of the Bronx Defenders achieving their mission, radically transforming how low-income people in the Bronx are represented in the justice system.
The fact is that there's so many people in the Bronx who don't get a fair shake in the judicial system because they can't afford lawyers, and the odds are stacked against them. So I've been able to allocate capital funding and support the Bronx Defenders.
So we've been doing this for, I would say, about 15 years, but every year feels like the first because every year it just gets better and better. More community members come out, more people get to know us and what we're about. We get an opportunity to meet new people, and the energy here, it just motivates us for the work that lies ahead.
Assemblyman Michael Blake and Senator Jamal T. Bailey were also in attendance. Last but not least, rapper Fat Joe came to rep his home borough to the fullest, showing love by performing and sharing encouraging words.
No matter what's against you, you can become whatever you want to become. Don't let nobody talk you out your dreams.
Reporting for BronxNet, Ashley Tiffaney.